In this video, we will be covering the initial configuration of the Akuvox 2-wire kit. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. In this example, we are using the C313 indoor monitor, R28 door phone, and NS2 network switch. Setting up the 2-wire kit is easier than you think and involves minimal connection and assembly. Next, we will auto-configure the door phone. Logging into the Smart Plus app can be done using the QR code on the indoor monitor. Now, we will perform a call from the door phone and release the door using the C313 and Smart Plus app. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.